Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create columns within Notion. So basically there are two ways of creating columns. So the first one is just by adding, for example, an image, and then just by typing and what you can do now is you can move, you can drag this, so drag this and move this all the way to here, and when you see this blue line pop up you can release your finger and now you have two columns. So what you can do is you can delete this like this, delete, and now it is gone. So again you can move this like this. Now you have two columns. You can do this with this one as well. Now you have 1, 2, 3 columns. What you also can do is just press slash and then type columns, and as you can see you have 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. And now when you add some text, it is in a column like this. But you also can add images in a column like this. And basically anything else what you see here. For example, a bullet list like this. You can be very creative. You also can swipe or make columns bigger or smaller, just like this. You can remove a column later on, like this. Like this. You can be very creative with this. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.